Good morning, children. How are you? I think all are fine and safe at home. Okay, children, in the previous class, 5th standard, first lesson. 5th standard, first lesson, The Strange Land. The Strange Land. Already you have studied. Which video we have sent? On that video, you have observed. Okay, children, the theme of this chapter is adventure. The theme of this chapter is adventure. The lesson shares the experience of Dorothy while traveling to a strange land of Emerald City. The theme of this chapter is adventure. The lesson shares the experience of Dorothy while traveling to a strange land of Emerald City. Yes, children, this is very interesting lesson. Already you have studied. Now, all of you open your textbook, page number 13. In the page number 11, they have given questions. We will send you later. Afterwards, you have to write in your given notebook properly and neatly, without scratching and without mistakes. Okay, children. Now, we will learn about the irregular past participles. Irregular past participles. Look at the dictionary entry for the verb speak. Look at the dictionary entry for the verb speak. It shows the past participle. It shows the past participle form of the verb as spoken. In the past participle is spoken, but the verb is speak. The form of verb as spoken. Speak, we, means speaking, spoke. Speaking, spoke, past part, spoken. The past part is spoken. First one, say something. Second one, communicate or be able to communicate in a specified language. Third one, suggest or be a sign of. Past participles of some verbs are not formed by adding d or ed to the verb. For example, I will show you. I will read for you this one. Begin. This is the verb. Begin. This is the verb. Begun. Past participles. This is past participle. Think. This is the verb. Thought. This is the past participle. Awake is the verb. Awoken is the past participle. Children, you have to remember this one. Such past participles are called irregular past participles. These verbs are called dislike words, past participles. These are the past participles are called irregular past participles. The dictionary entry for such verbs shows the past participle along with the ing form and the past tense form of the verb. Past tense form of the verb. Use a dictionary to find the past participles of the following verbs. See here, children, here they have given one question. I will read for you this one. You have to remember this one. Use a dictionary. If you have any dictionary, you have to open that. Afterwards, you have to search the word. What they have asked. Use a dictionary to find the past participles of the following verbs. The first one is arise. It is the verb arise. The past participle is arisen. See here children, I have written here arisen, A-R-I-S-E-N. You have to write in this given space. The B is B-E-A-R, bear. The past participle is B-O-R-N-E. Okay children. The C is creep. You have to write here past participle creeped or crept. Creeped or kept. Which you want to write, that you write. Cling. The past participle is clung. C-L-U-N-G. You have to write in D place. Come. The past participle is come. Again it will come. Come, came, come. The past participle is come. Grind. G-R-I-N-D. Grind means the past participle ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. The leap. Next one is leap. The past participle is leaped. L-E-A-P-T. The teach past participle is thought. I think all are understood? Yes children. You know already in the previous class you have learnt so many examples your teacher has given. Yes, no children? Yes. See here, where? The past participle is worn. Follow me. How I will write. Blow means the past participle blown. Buy, bought. Follow me children. Dream, dreamed or dreamed. Both you write. Fight, fought you write children here. Ring, rung. Say, said. Take, taken. Dig, digged or dug. Stand, the past participle is stood. I hope you all are understood. Okay children, turn the page. Turn the page children. See here. Some adjectives are formed by adding a suffix such as y, ly, ish and so on to nouns. For example, sun, sun, sunny, sunny, that like. Some adjectives are formed by adding a suffix such as y, ly and ish and so on to nouns. For example, sun, sunny. Here, sunny means ny they have add. Okay. Page number 14 you have to open adjectives forms of nouns. I will read for you this one sentence. Read the following sentence from the lesson. Dorothy ate a hearty supper and was waited upon by the rich Munchin himself, whose name was Bob. See here children, here they have given one keyword, H-E-A-R-T-Y. You have to understand, and that word you have to underline that. Hearty, H-E-A-R-T-Y. Hearty is the adjective form of the noun. H-E-A-R-T-Y. This is the adjective form of the noun. H-E-A-R-T, hurt. Noun is hurt. The adjective is hearty. We added the suffix y. We added here y. It is suffix to the noun hurt. Where is the noun? See here children, it is the noun. We add to the hurt in the end of the noun. Hurt to to form the adjective hearty. Okay, children, when we add the y to the noun, that is suffix, we can create adjective forms of nouns by adding appropriate suffix to them. Some suffix that can be used to create adjectives forms of nouns are. I will read for you. They have given here some boxes and suffix, then their examples, suffix, then their examples. They have add only y to the given words. Here they have add al to the given words. Here ly added. Here ical. Here ish. Here ic. See here, children, I will read for you. milk, milk. milky, milky. They have added here y only. Given milk noun. Then salt, salt. salty, salty. Okay, that like they have added y in the given word. Next one, I will read for you. ly. cost, cost. costly. Costly. friend, friend. frindly, friendly. They have added here ly. Here child, child. child, ish. Childish, childish. shwep, shwep, ish. Here they have add ish, here ly, here y only they have add. In the given words, we get on that time suffix. Here al add ical, ic. I will read for you given words. person, person. personal, personal. function, function. functional, functional. alphabet, alphabet. alphabetical, alphabetical. history, history. historical, historical. hero, hero. heroic, heroic. class, class. classic, classic. This like when we add the given y in the given word of noun, we will get the suffix. Suffix means we added the suffix y to the noun. Okay, children, I hope you are all understood. I will give you some homework. You have to write some words. Then you have to add y, ly, ish, al, ical and ic. Which letters we have to add? On that time we will get the correct word only. Suffix word. Suffix. al is the suffix, ical is the suffix, ic is the suffix. That like you have to add the given noun words, these suffix. On that time you have to get the correct word. Next one, select the correct adjective form of the noun to complete this sentence. Select the correct adjective form of the noun to complete the sentence. The first one I will read for you. Listen to the dash sound of the drum. Listen to the dash sound of the sum. They have given here two answers. One is rhythmic, one is rhythmish. The first one is correct. You have to choose it and write here rhythmic. Yes, children, this is correct. The second one is these clips are very dash oily or oilish. Oily, correct. oily. The dash conditions are changing rapidly due to global warming. Climatic or climatical? Climatic. The climatic condition. The climatic conditions are changing rapidly due to the global warming. Don't plan a picnic for the next weekend. It will be dash rainly or rainy. The rainy is correct. You have to write the rainy word here. Their new house is dash brown. Yellowish or yellowick? Yellowish. Yellowish brown. Okay, children, you have to write this properly. Again, you have to read the words. Which suffix we have to add the given word. On that time only we have to get the correct meaning of the word. Suitable word. We have to get the suitable word. I hope you all are understood. Next we will continue participles. Participles of forms, verbs. Tomorrow we will continue. Okay, children. Bye. Take care.